Hello everyone, welcome to Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Dollar Tree haul and let me show you what I found this week. I was able to find the felt flower kits. Look at this. I found it in the yellow, the gray and black colors. I have the gold with like the ecru color. And then I have the white with the silver. And then I have the light blue with the silver. And they all look to be 15 pieces. So let me show you what comes, or what it looks like when you finish. So this is the blue one, right? Look at this. You see there? So when you finish, you should have this little floral piece right there. Isn't that pretty? Now you don't have to do this. You can obviously use the flowers as individuals, which is what I want to do, but how pretty that is. So I got that one, and then let's see, hold on, that's the blue one, and then next is the gold one, or the yellow one. So this is this one here, and then this you have the yellow, white, the cream colors. You got the green leaves and yellow fringe, and then this one, can you see? This is the flower kit right there. I love the colors. They're so pretty. And then this one is the silver and white with the like a sagey color floral. And this is what it looks like. And then here we go. See there? Isn't that pretty? I love it. It shows you exactly how to put these flowers together, which is nice, right? And then I have the gray and the black, and this is what the kit looks like. And then here, look. I like those colors. Whoever put these floral kits together did a good job. So, and then I have the gold one. You have the gold, the ecrus, the like a sagey color leaves. And then here we go. These are the flowers right there. So pretty. I'm happy with it. I did pick up 2 of each kit. Next, I picked up this. Hold on. Which way does it go? This way. See, it's a landscape, right? You get the mountains in the back. You get the cloud coverage, and then you have the tree line there. It's spooky, fantastic future Valentine project. It's going to be a tragic one. Or you can save it for Halloween, right? Fantastic. Or you can redo the colors. You know what I mean? Dollar Tree does sell acrylic, so you can fix that color there if you like. So these are wall art, and they're by Special Moments. It's well, no, it doesn't have a size, but let's see, 12 inches by 4 inches in height. See, 4 inches this way, 12 inches that way. I only picked up one. I probably should have picked up 2 in case I messed up, but but here we go. There are other sceneries available, so hopefully you'll find it at your store, you know, when you go visit your Dollar Tree. Next, I picked up this paper mate. It's the flare pin, and it's in the violet color. Let's see, it says won't bleed through paper. And it is a medium point pin. I'm going to add this to my collection of paper mate flare pins. I have a collection going. I found this new game. Well, it's new to me. It is called Impossible Clear Puzzle. You get 100 pieces, and the completed piece should be 5 by 7. Look, it's actually clear. No writing, no pictures, nothing. Now you can put it together, then of course you can add your own picture on top. But I think it's fun. I like the clear puzzle. So you need to be at least 6 years old to put this together. But you know what? I love a challenge, so we'll see how that goes. I picked up 2 of them because I thought they were nice, and I didn't know when I would see these again. So I picked up 2 of those. Oh, and then I found this in like where all the shore living stuff is. They have a new collection of paints there, and I like this one. This one is marine green. It's like a sagey color. See there? I like it. I want to use this color in something. I'm not sure what yet, but I have it with me now. So I just picked up the one color. I also picked up some stickers. These are pop-up stickers, and this is the ballerina. It says Dancing Queen. You get the necklace, a hat, the corset, ballet slippers, a record player, a cello, gloves, piano, and the crown. I like the instruments. I picked it up for the phonograph, the cello, and the piano. Who knows? I might use the, these pink pieces later on, but I wanted these pieces really. So I picked these up. Oh, I only picked up one package, and you get 10 of these pop-up stickers in here. I also decided to pick up this one. Now these are flower too. They're just the flower heads, and they are pop-up stickers, and you get 15 flowers. I like the variety in colors, and the edging on the flowers are glittered. Here, I took it out of the package. Hopefully you can see where it sparkles, right? Hopefully. So the larger flowers are double layers, and then the small flowers are just a single layer. And then this one here, you get 2 in 1. It's just one whole piece. And then this is a single layer, and you get the double layers on this one. Cute. I like it. They only had 1, so I only picked up 1. I will be on the watch out to see if I can find some more. And then I picked up this one too. Look. It's so cute. It's the Grumpy Cat. And it is a decal, and you only get 1 sheet. But look at this. This is my happy face. Oh, cute, right? I like it. So this is, let's see. It's by Sandy Lion, published and distributed by Trends International, LLC, Indianapolis, Indiana. So I picked up 4 of them. I mean, it's going to look fantastic in a Halloween project, or if you're doing like a cat project. Oh, so cute. I love it. I mean, I like the way it is. I'll probably put 1 on my tablet. Oh, goodness, it's just so adorable. Yeah, I picked up 4 of these. They do have other decals like the Mortal Kombat. They had, oh gosh, they had the science, the 2 science guys. I don't remember their names, but you know, the crazy ones. Oh goodness. And then I believe they had, I want to say it had Star Wars, but there was like different ones, but this is the only one I wanted. I like it. I imagine we can color this in too, because see, this one here is already colored, and I think I can do the same and color it in a color I want. We'll see how that works out. See, that's why I picked up additional ones, in case I mess up. And let me see. I'm thinking that it comes as a full sheet. I don't know. Oh, look, I figured it out. So you actually get the 2 sheets in there. This is just like this is just the label, and then this is the actual decal here on the white one. So when you go shop, make sure you have the decal in the package. And it is clear. So when you attach it to your project, and then you can color it, I imagine. See there? It is clear. Okay. For a moment there, I'm like, oh no, did somebody take out the decal? But yeah, it is like a matte finish on the white part there, right here. So I'm thinking that you can color that in. But you can also use this in your scrapbooking. So you get 2, oh wait, 1, 2, 3. You get 3 for the price of 1. Fantastic. I'm glad I picked these up. The last items I picked up are greeting cards. And I picked up these greeting cards because I wanted the envelopes. You know, Dollar Tree is very good with giving out colored envelopes. So look, I got this one here. I don't know, it's almost like a yellowish, brownish look. I don't know, really weird color. So I got this one, and then I picked up 4 of the gray ones, and I picked up 2 of the violet colors. And then I decided, since I'm paying for the envelopes, I decided to pick up these cards. Now, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I'll make sure I had enough envelopes. I picked up this one because I love the flowers. Look at that. They're gilded flowers. And then I can fussy cut these out and use it on another project. Look at this. I mean, you can do like a corner sticker with that one. So I got 2 of those. Oh, let me see. I think this is this is a sympathy card if you wanted to know. And then these are thank you cards. And then I was thinking the same thing with the flowers. I can fussy cut the bouquet out and use it in a project, and then I can always cut out the thank you part too. And look, and I won't be able to cut this corner out here, but I can cut out this one here. See there? And I can use that in another project. And then of course you can always cut this out and do individual words in that one. So I got 2 of those. And then I got this one too. I think this one's a sympathy card too. Or no, it's a get well card. So look at this flower. Isn't that gorgeous? It's like full of glitter and absolutely beautiful. So I can cut this out here if I just want the flower, and then I can cut out the bird separately and use the bird in another project. But how beautiful is that? So yeah, I got 2 of those. And then I also picked up this one, and it says congratulations and blessings. So this is like I guess a congratulation card. But the same thing with this one. How beautiful is that? So I can fussy cut the umbrella. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I love the bow. And then I get individual flowers too. I can just take like a round cutter and cut them out. Beautiful. I mean, I even like the words. It says, "You'll be showered with blessings that come from above." How beautiful. And then there's that. So I like this. And I picked up 2 of these umbrella ones. They're so beautiful. Dollar Tree does have some pretty cards. You just have to be willing to hunt through their large selection of greeting cards. And then these are all Hallmark cards. Maybe not. Hold on. Yeah, let's see. These 2 are Hallmark cards. And then this is Joyfully Yours, Dayspring Company. And that's these 2. How beautiful. I think, I don't remember seeing this brand at Dollar Tree. So it might be like a new company being affiliate with Dollar Tree now. It is dayspring.com. Or I can go to the website and take a look to see what else they have. But how beautiful, you know? Adorable. I love buying greeting cards from Dollar Tree for everyday use and for scrapbooking projects. I love those. Well, that is everything I picked up on my trip to Dollar Tree this time. Beautiful. I'm looking forward to working with these clear puzzles. And then, of course, my new grumpy cats. Adorable. So cute. And then my stickers. Dollar Tree is the place to go for stickers, right? At fantastic price of $1.25. And I do like all these floral kits. I want to put those to use soon and use them in projects. And I'm happy with my new pin. What else? That seems to be everything I picked up. I hope that you find what you're looking for the next time you go to Dollar Tree, that you find everything on your wish list. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.